Hey guys, welcome to Career Launcher. And today we are going to talk about CLAT. And in today's session, we are going to talk about DI charts. And this is part three. Okay. Everyone is good? Am I audible? Yes, no? Okay, so let's start. Test series is live now. This is the set that we are going to do. Hello, good evening, Kartikeya. All good? हेलो प्रियांशी ऑल गुड सब बढ़िया Okay, so this is the data that we have on, and on the basis of that data, we are going to have two questions. So let's get on with it. Yes, Kartike, I am also fine. Now, so basically, what does this question say? Is there are five companies MNOPQ, and the ratio of shirts and trousers have been given in the table. So it says that M has total shirts and trousers. So let's make it a table, and we have total. So this has 960, N has what? 1720. O has what? 1840. P has what? 1120. And Q has what? 1600. Now all the values are given to us in terms of ratio. That the second table is talking about the ratios. So M has in the ratio of 5 is to 3, N has in the ratio of 23, 4 is to 19. So my job is to figure out all the shorts and tables. Hmm. So how we are going to solve? So in company M, we have 5 is to 3, that is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 of what? 960. This is 600. So this is going to be what? 360. Okay, now similarly, what are other values? 24 is to 43 into 1720. This comes out to be what? 440. 960. So this comes out to be 760. O is 7 by 16 of 1840. This is 115. 775. So it is going to be 5, then 6, then 10. Okay. Then P has 3 by 8 of 1120. 420 and 7. This is going to be, last one is going to be 8 by 25 of 1600. 64. 512. 1088. Okay. So everyone understood that how we can fill the table? Hello Riva, how are you? Long time. So basically, the data is given to us in terms of bar graph. Riva, I'm also good. And so values are given in terms of bar graph, and the bifurcation is given in terms of ratio. That is the part of the table. So ratio of shirt and trouser, that is 5 is to 3. So out of 8 there are 5 shirts. So 5 by 8 of total clothes, that is 960. That gives us 600, and trousers gives us, so 960 minus 600 gives us 360. I'm not just going to break it into two values, and so on, and I'm filling up the numbers. In N, the ratio is 24 is to 19. So 24 upon 43 of 1720, right? So that gives us 960 shirts. So 1720 minus 960 is going to be 760 trousers, and so on. And that is how I have filled up the table. It is, oh yeah, it should be 805. I'm sorry, it is 805 and 1035. I made a calculation error. I'm sorry. So this is the table that we are going to fill. Okay. So we got the tables. Now, the first one. What is the average number of shirts manufactured by companies M, O, and Q together? Now, how can we get the answer? Quickly. M, O, and Q. So M is what? Priyanshi, uh, you can drop me a mail at shashank.gahoi at careerlauncher.com. That's my mail ID. Fine. So if you have any doubt, you can send the set to me on this mail ID, shashank.gahoi at careerlauncher.com. So as soon as you send me the set, I'll get back to you. Not very quickly, but I might take some time, but I'll respond. So it is 600, O is 800, Q is 500. So 600, 800, and 500. How much we are going to get? 1900, 1900, right? Divide by 6 is going to be 600 something, right? Now 600 something, it means which option we are talking about? That is going to be option A. Directly I am going to get the answer, nothing much to do. Now the second question is number of shirts manufactured by P. So number of shirts manufactured by P, that is directly going to be 420. We can get it very quickly. Now next one, question number 3, what is the answer? What is the total number of trousers manufactured by N and P together? Very nice. That is going to be option C. That is going to be N and P together. So N is 760, P is 700. So sum comes out to be what? 1460. Answer is C. What is the answer of option question number 4? The number of shirts manufactured by company Q is what percent of its total production? Now for question number 4 is not a question, I don't need to calculate the value. The ratio of shirt is 8 is to 17. Shirt is to trouser, right? So how many shirts? 8 by 25. Right. If I multiply by 100, I am going to get my answer very quickly, and that's going to be 32%. I don't need to work with the actual numbers. Got it? So that was, I think, fairly easy. I think this set was extremely easy. Now let's look at this set. In the following table, number of vehicles in thousands passing over bridge during different time intervals on different days of a week is given. Okay, so some total data is given that, and it is given in thousands, right? So basically, if I say that in the morning, in thousands is important. So it's not actually 12, it's 12,000. So on Monday, 8 to 11, 12,000 vehicles are passing through the bridge. From 11 to 1, it's 10,000. And this is what that is given to us. And so basically, if simple data is given, what can I do with the data? So I can't do anything with the data. So let's directly go to the questions. What is the what are the answers of these 4 questions? If I look at the questions, questions are also very easy. In the next session, I would say that let me take some difficult sets. I think both the sets are extremely easy. What is the difference between the total number of vehicles crossing 7 to 10 p.m. and 11 to 1 p.m. on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday? Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. 7 to 10 and 11 to 1. So don't add up the numbers, 3 numbers. 12 minus 5 comes out to be 7. 7 minus 7 comes out to be 0. And 6 minus 5 comes out to be 1. So my answer of this question is going to be 7 plus 0 plus 1, and that's going to be 8,000. Simple. So answer of first question is option A. Now question for the second answer for the second question. Okay, Kartikeya, find the difference between number of vehicles Tuesday and Saturday 1 to 4 and Thursday 1 to 4. Tuesday and Thursday, Saturday 1 to 4 and Thursday 1 to 4. 7 minus 7 is 0. Answer directly comes out to be 10,000. What we are doing in this? This, I think, nothing much to do. Very straightforward question that is. Now the next one. What is the percentage decrease in number of vehicles crossing from 8 to 11 to 7 to 10 on Wednesday? 8 to 11 on Wednesday, 8 to 10 and 7 to 10. It has gone from 10 to 6. So there is a decrement of 4. over 10 into 100, and that comes out to be 40%. That's going to be option C. यार ये तो गजब ही आसान क्वेश्चन है. Next one, what is the average number of vehicles crossing the bridge during 8 to 11 a.m.? That is, average is going to be 12,000, 15,000. So I'm just going to add 12 plus 8, that's 20, plus 10, 30, 30 plus 20, 26, 56, 56 plus 13 is going to be 69. So 69,000 vehicles are in total, and number of days are 6. So it is going to be 11. 6 are 66. Remaining is 3, 30, that is going to be 5, then 100. So 11,500 should be the average, and that's going to be option D. So answer of this question is going to be option D. I think the sets that we have picked up today are extremely easy ones, and I think that shouldn't be the case. In the next session onwards, I'll take care that we get a little more difficult sets. Okay. So CLAT 26 sprint online classes are live. In just 4 months, you will be ready. And that's it. And we have 4 sessions: Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday every day. And that's it. Tell me, anyone wants to ask anything? If nothing, then I'll wind up. And you already have my mail ID, so basically you can directly drop me a message. Let me drop my mail ID in the chat box. This is my mail ID. If you have any doubt in quantitative aptitude, you can just drop me a mail on this. Fine. Chalo.